In this video, I will show you how to recover your Mobile Legends account in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet mobile browser and you want to come across to google.com. Next, go ahead and click onto the Google search box and then go ahead and type Mobile Legends support email. So if you scroll down slightly to the section that says people also ask, and you should see a question that's been asked saying, how do I contact Mobile Legends support? So if you click onto this, it's going to actually bring up the email that you need to send this through to. And what you want to do is just go ahead and copy that email address. After you have done this, what you then want to do is open up your email account. Now, at this point, it's important to note that you want to send the email from the account that is linked to your Mobile Legends account. So once you've done that, next you need to go ahead and open up a new email and just go ahead and paste that email into the box here. In the subject line, just put account recovery. And then what you want to do in the actual email itself is put the following. So, hey, please, can you help me to recover my Mobile Legends account? And after that, what you want to do is just put some information related to your account. So you want to put your username for Mobile Legends, if you remember it, as well as the email address that's linked to the account. And some additional information you can put is your phone number, and things like the last location that you played Mobile Legends from. Once that's done, just go ahead and end it with a thank you and go and send that through. And then the team at Mobile Legends will take a look at your email, keep an eye on your email as they will be in contact via email to help you to recover your account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.